Everyone wants to do high ticket affiliate marketing. The math makes sense. Why struggle to sell those $20 offers when you can actually make one $700, one $1,000 sale and hit your income goal for the week? But when beginners, they try to sell high ticket offers, high ticket products, they hit a brick wall. They get clicks on their affiliate links, but absolutely zero sales to show for it. Why? Because they are taking these cold traffic, right? These people here from a YouTube video or from maybe a paid ad and dropping them directly to that $700 course checkout page or sales page. Basically the same thing. Logically, this is insane. You're asking complete strangers to hand over a massive amount of money before you build a single ounce of trust. Where is the logic in this? So in this video, I'm actually going to show you the to-the-point psychological framework of how to actually sell high-ticket affiliate offers without going on Zoom calls or without sending any DMs. So before anyone parts with high-ticket money, two things must happen. First, they must trust that the solution is real. Right? And second, they must experience the belief shift. They have to stop believing that old methods work and realize that your recommended product, the product that you're recommending in here, is the only logical way forward. Now, you cannot belief shift with a standard opt-in page here and then sending them to the sales page, right? This is the opt-in page. You collect the email, there is emails in here, and you're following up and you're just promoting the sales page and sending them to the $700, $1,000 checkout page. Before doing that, in this process of email follow-ups, in this process here, right, you need to actually build the trust and the belief shifts to break down that wall of objections that those people have. And most people do that by going on calls, right? Going on Zoom calls, maybe talking with them on DMs. But if you are an introvert, if you hate sales, then you definitely don't want to spend those 45 minutes on Zoom calls trying to convince them and buy from you. So how do we actually go ahead and build that trust and shift those beliefs automatically? Well, we do that by not pitching the $700. Don't promote that $700 directly. We pitch something called Tripwire. Now, what the hell is a tripwire? Look at the diagram I created for you to explain this better. All right. So a tripwire is a high value entry level offer priced so low that it removes all the buying friction. Right? Just like this $2.95, like $3 to $5 offer. There is no friction to sell this offer if the offer presents itself valuable enough, right? When you offer that $3 solution here to their immediate problem, the trust barrier is very, very tiny. They pull out the credit card without thinking for a second time. Now here is where the magic happens. Once they buy the $3 tripwire offer, you have effectively passed the baton to the whole vendors ecosystem in here. The best high ticket affiliate offers that you're going to promote has massive backend ecosystems. The moment your lead buy that $3 offer, the vendors multi-day training, right? Multi-day training, their professional email sequences and their highly valuable high production webinars, right? Or, more trainings, everything takes over, works for you like a factory and does all the heavy lifting. The vendor here shifts the belief, right? The vendor here shifts the belief. The vendor here builds the trust over next 5 to 7 days. So when all of this is working in the background, the customer, if he has the means to do it, he will upgrade to whatever that the vendor is pitching at the end of it. If it is valuable enough, he is going to buy this, and that's going to be a natural process instead of you forcing yourself, sticking with this, board here of selling a course in here. Naturally, people will run away from you. But if you do it strategically, properly, by providing value, insane value upfront, solving an immediate problem, right? People are going to buy that. No friction here. They go to the vendors ecosystem, they go through all the training, all the emails, all the videos, everything. And the natural result would be them purchasing that $700 offer, making you the commissions. This is how you sell the high ticket offers. I mean, if you're selling a high ticket offer, then make sure you have this vendor's ecosystem works for you. Make sure you have a tripwire. Like, let's say vendor doesn't give you a tripwire. You can create your own tripwire offer for $3. $3 is nothing really, right? This is how smart affiliates sell high ticket offers. They sell the tripwire and they let the ecosystem do its job and just, get that high ticket offer, high ticket sales. They can enjoy that. Now, if you want to learn more properly and incorporate this into your own offers or whatever that you're selling, then I highly recommend you go and click the first link in the description and check out that free training in there, which talks about the banana funnel, which executes exactly this, right? That video training breaks down the exact psychology of this low price ticket to the high ticket pipeline. So stop pitching $700 products to strangers like here. Use a tripwire, leverage the ecosystem, and fix your funnel. Click the link below and I will see you there. Cheers.